Hello guys, welcome to Vicky's channel. Let's crochet the lovely stars in 5 minutes. You can use any kind of yarn and suitable hook for the yarn. 5 chains first and neck slip to the very beginning circle. Now we got a ring. Next, chain 1. A short crochet in the ring. Next one chain and 1 double crochet. Mark on the side loop of this double crochet. Next, 2 chains. Now back to where is the mark 1 short crochet and 1 chain. Adjust all the stitches. Next one, short crochet. Now we get the first corner. The second corner as 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 short crochet, 1 chain, 1 short crochet. We got the second corner. Now repeat to get another 2 corners. Now let's crochet the last corner. 1 chain, next 1 double crochet, next 2 chains, next 1 short crochet. Now cut off the yarn, leaving a 10 till 15 tail for sewing. Insert the hook into the second V from bottom of the first corner, then pull the yarn through it. Next, insert the hook into the circle of the last stitch from the back side. Next, pull the yarn through it. Now you can find its traceless. Hide the tails from the back side as you like.